Hello, beautiful souls. Hope you all are doing great. Today, we are starting with our Soul Connection series. Have you ever felt drawn to someone so deeply, so instantly, it almost felt otherworldly? Welcome to the Soul Connection series, where we explore the cosmic threads that tie hearts and souls together across lifetimes. But before we dive into twin flames, soulmates, split souls, soul fragments, conjoins, and all the other mysteries, let's first understand a few sacred truths. Soul, your highest divine essence, a spark from the Supreme Source. Spirit, the part of that soul that chooses to incarnate in the physical realm. Higher self, the wisest, most loving version of you, guiding your journey from above. Lower self, the denser part of you walking through pain, lessons, and growth. And finally, oversoul, the grand soul collective, the ocean from which your soul drop came. Now, let's begin with karmic connections. You know that intense pull that I know you're feeling? That can't let go even though it's breaking me kind of bond? That's most likely a karmic connection. What is a karmic connection? It's not just love. It's unfinished business. These are people who enter your life because you owe them something, or they owe you. A debt, a lesson, a balancing act from another time. They may or may not be connected through soul. Their purpose? To teach, to resolve, to evolve. They come to shake your world. They mirror your shadows. They pull out your wounds. And when they leave, you are never the same. The more karmas you create with self, others, or nature, more are the karmic cords, and hence more karmic partners you attract. Here's what it usually feels like: an instant connection, magnetic pull, chaos disguised as destiny, triggers, tears, and tests. The feeling of being stuck, like you are trapped in a loop. When it ends, it feels like they took a piece of you with them. But soon after, you rise, you transform. You become much stronger, much lighter, much wiser, and a better version of you. It's new you. If you're asking, why cannot I leave this person? Why do I keep meeting the same kind of people? Why do I feel so drained? Then maybe you are stuck in a karmic cycle who is not a soul connection. It's not always love. Sometimes it's just karma calling. So what do? You don't avoid karmics. You don't run. You learn, you accept, and most importantly, you release. Because the universe will keep sending the same lesson until you finally pass the test. Remember, not every connection is meant to last, but every connection is meant to teach. Karmics break you, so your soul can break through. Be grateful to your karmics. They not only help you evolve, but also clear your karmas. It's a blessing in disguise. Signs of a karmic relationship. There is an intense and immediate connection. You find it difficult to stop yourself from moving towards this person. Just when everything feels right and heavenly, and you start thinking about the next stage in the connection, things suddenly and abruptly fall apart. You are left shattered and wondering what went wrong. This person triggers a repeating pattern you have been running away from. You are left with no choice but to reflect on your wounds and begin healing. If you avoid the healing now, this person may return again only to break you further, or become a toxic partner if you marry them. Alternatively, someone new may enter your life to give you similar experiences until you heal that wound. Solution: detach from the person and the craving. Reflect on the wound and the pattern it reveals. Draw your energy inwards, focus on self-growth, and commit to healing. This creates space for your true soul connection and destined partner. Classic sign of a karmic relationship is codependency. And the solution: is to heal from that codependency. Ready for the next one in the series? Up next, soulmates, the mirrors of love and familiarity across lifetimes. Stay tuned. And if you like my videos, like my channel, please like, share, subscribe, share with your friends, comment your suggestions below, and take care, stay blessed till we meet again.